Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today we are going to create real-time example of use state in reactjs. This is going to be really fun and you are going to enjoy a lot and learn a lot from this tutorial. So let's get started. So in this tutorial we are going to cover these topics. Create new add student component, and then we are going to add some events to our input controls, and then we are working with the states in multiple ways. Previous video we have worked only one state of working with the states, but now I will show you two and three ways of working with the states. And then we are going to do two-way binding of the states, and we are going to pass data from child to the parent component. In the previous video, we have seen we can pass the data from the parent to child, but now we are going to learn how we can pass data from child to parent, right? So guys, uh, I'm just going to show you a little bit demo of what changes we are going to make. At the top of this page, I'm going to add one new component. That component I will have input controls, like I can take the student code, name, and age and email. And once I click on the add or create student, it will be added in this list, right? So this is going to be a real-time thing, and we can in the future we are going to do some other works on this as well as. So guys, for your information, I have added all the projects on my this link. I'm going to share this link on in the description. So don't worry, guys. I'm sharing all the code from lecture one till now, so you can find all these lectures. So you can see here I've already added this project, build real-time example. You can find this on my GitHub account. So I will share this account in the description. So thank you very much, guys, and please follow more videos coming up because this is going to be very exciting and you are going to learn the real-time thing. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.